So this one is going to be pattern plus some, okay? Here's a little thing I want you to notice. If we have a quadrilateral, any kind of square, rectangle, a way for us in perspective to find the middle of it is to go like this. You put an X through it. That gives you the middle. That will be the middle in both directions. And that's useful. That's useful. So you could take something like this. You go, in terms of pattern building, so now I should have 4 pretty equal squares. It looks like the bottom ones are a little smaller for some reason. I'm going to move them a tiny bit. And now I want to find the center of this square. And the center of this square. And that should give me the center this way and the center that way. And right where these lines cross, that'll give me the center this way. So I should have a pretty good grid. And then from having a grid, I can use the grid to help me build a pattern. So I take the middle of each of these lines. And here's a little pattern I like. I'm going to start here. And it's kind of like a little flower. All right, that's like something kind of cool, right? So now, watch what I can do. If I want to do that, I can go like this. And remember the various kinds of mistakes that I can make. So I'm going to check this for those. I'm going to look for sliding verticals, and this looks like it's sliding a little bit, and this is a little bit. I'm going to look to see that I don't have a party hat, and sometimes I just lower it just for good measure. I want to check to see that my lines are all, like this one is not working with that one. It's making this is to the back one is turning out to be a little long-legged. Okay, so now I have a pretty decent cube on my hands. I think that this one might be a little long-legged too, which is a shame because that line was so nice. Okay, and now just at the same way that this worked over here, watch how it works over here. So that gives us our middle. And that gives us an even grid on the side of that. And then we can just project our pattern. And you could just keep on going with it. And in this way, I could just I could just cover the entire cube. Okay?